This man became a hero. He jumped into an icy river to save a missing dog. The dog, named Arizona, had been missing for days. Chris MacRitchie spotted her struggling in the freezing water and didn't hesitate. He carefully made his way down the riverbank and jumped in. Despite the cold, he swam out, reached Arizona, and carried her back to shore. The entire rescue was filmed by Chris's 15-year-old son. Arizona's owner, Morgan Cerasoli, shared the video online and called Chris her hero. She said he didn't just save a dog, he saved a part of her soul. The post went viral, with NBC News interviewing both the owner and Chris. This is just a reminder that small acts of courage can mean the world to someone.